In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix all errors in Sea of Thieves. So first, go to Windows Security. So if your game is not launching, for example, you will have to check with virus and threat protection. So if you go to Manage Settings, make sure you disable this option. And also disable all of these other options. You can re-enable them later just to check if this is the causing the issue. So you can check if like the Windows security is stopping the game from opening if you go to protection history, and you will see like the game folder here name, and you will have to just restore to allow it to run again. So if that's the case, then you just basically disable the options like I said. So if that's not the case, then I recommend going here to Steam and then properties, compatibility, enable these options and then click apply and then OK. And then lastly, make sure you disable any options. So before trying to restart the game, disable everything like exit Steam, exit Epic Games, exit the game itself and exit everything, and then try to restart the game. You can also check if it's running in the background by going to Task Manager. This will let you check. So if the game is running, you'll be able to see it here, and you will just have to exit it by clicking End Task. And once that is done, you can basically try to restart the game, and this should fix it.